The MUB Laundry Ball is a natural, effective, healthy laundry product. There are no chemical residues. Therefore, zero allergies and irritation to babies. Made in Taiwan, it can be used at least 1,000 times. The MUB Far Infrared Laundry Ball contains 2 types of ceramic beads, calcium carbonate and dietary minerals. These ceramic beads release far infrared and produce anions to alkalize water. They help dissolve stains and dirt from fabrics. In addition, the combination of far infrared radiation and anions creates effective antibacterial and odor removal effects that break down water clusters into water molecules, and the resulting water becomes highly potent at removing dirt and stains. Its innovative design and numerous ridges allows the ball to spin faster, protecting your delicate fabrics, almost as if you're washing them by hand. The MUB Laundry Ball shares the same mechanism as the ancient natural way of doing laundry, without chemically ridden detergents. With exclusive anion-releasing technology, it cleans dirt from fabrics efficiently. Dirt accumulates more easily in washer tubs when using laundry detergent compared to the MUB Laundry Ball. The MUB Laundry Ball brings you and your family a cleaner and environmentally friendly laundry experience.